Hello students, today we are going to start of class 2, chapter number 2 of unit 1, that is two parts of a sentence. Look at the pictures and then read the sentences given below. The person or thing spoken about and whatever is said about the person or thing means a girl is drinking tea, a clock tells the time, the cow eats grass, Bahadur is eating an ice cream. So the girl is spoken about, a clock is spoken about, the cow is spoken about, and Bahadur is spoken about. So whatever is spoken about tells us something. It is drinking tea, tells us something about the girl, tells us the time, tells us something about a clock, eat grass, tells us something about the cow, is eating an ice cream, tells us something about the Bahadur. All sentences can be divided into two parts. The person or thing spoken about is known as subject, and whatever is spoken about the person or thing is considered as predicates. Exercise 1. Divide each of the sentences given below into two parts. The person or thing spoken about and whatever is said about the person or a thing. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill, there is a person which has been spoken about and went up to the hill, that whatever it is said about the Jack and Jill. A bicycle is spoken about, so you will consider it as a bicycle. Then B has two wheels. In this way we can do the rest. Now exercise 2. Given below are certain sentences as ending. Fill in the right endings from the bubbles to the sentences. Heads and complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you as an example. The ship sails on the sea. In this way we can write grapes grow on vines. An aeroplane flies in the air. A fireman wears a helmet. In this way we can do the rest. Now exercise 3. Match the words in A with the right words in B. The first has been done for you. The sun rises in the east. An ant lives in holes. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Hens lay eggs. Sunday is the first day of the week. Ant has 6 legs. Snakes lives in hole. Trams. The boys play in the park. Trams run on rail. In this way we can do it. Now the chapter is completed already. Thank you.